folks, welcome back. So today's video is going to be another short one. I'm sharing with you my deep intensive hibiscus hair mask, and the hibiscus leaf is actually an amazing leaf. Like this leaf, you can eat it, you can wear it, you can put it on your hair, all the amazing things. But today we're using it for our hair because it is rich in amino acid that nourishes your hair, strengthens your hair roots, and keeps your locks luscious, healthy. The flower actually stimulates your hair regrowth from dormant follicles and bald patches. Like if you have alopecia, if your hair is falling out, if you're struggling with any form of hair loss, this is a hair mask for you. I appreciate you guys for watching. I will catch you on the flip side. Bye. Love you. So I just want to show you guys what the hibiscus look like. There's still chunks in my hair, so I'm kind of freaking scared that it's not gonna wash out all the way in the future. I'm probably gonna use the hibiscus powder, but we will see. Oh yeah, I wanted to let you guys know that I use the hibiscus water because I boil the tea. I use the water as a conditioner, and then I also use my shampoo that I made in the previous video if you want to check that out. And I will be back to let you guys know how everything went and check out my next video. Wait for my next video, I should say. I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye.